Maud Kathleen Lewis was a Canadian folk artist from Nova Scotia. Lewis lived most of her life in poverty in a small house in Marshalltown, Nova Scotia, achieving national recognition in 1964 and 1965. Several books, plays and films have since been produced about her. Lewis remains one of Canada's best-known folk artists. Her works in the restored Maud Lewis House are displayed in the Art Gallery of Nova Scotia. Lewis was born Maud Kathleen Dowley on March 7, 1903 in South Ohio, Nova Scotia, the daughter of John and Agnes Dowley. She had one brother. She was born with birth defects and ultimately developed rheumatoid arthritis, which reduced her mobility, especially in her hands. Dowley was introduced to art by her mother, who instructed her in the making of watercolor Christmas cards to sell. She began her artistic career by selling hand-drawn and painted Christmas cards. Dowley became involved with Emery Allen, also of Digby, who has been described as the love of her life. She gave birth to their daughter, Catherine Dowley, in 1928 out of wedlock. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.